Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the recent outbreak of whooping cough in Missouri and Arkansas. Whooping cough, also known as Pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory infection that is caused by the bacterium Bordetella pertussis. It is most common in children, but it can also affect adults. The symptoms of whooping cough can vary depending on the age of the person. In infants, the most common symptoms are coughing, vomiting, and difficulty breathing. In older children and adults, the most common symptoms are coughing, sneezing, and a runny nose. Whooping cough is highly contagious and can spread easily from person to person. It is most contagious in the first 2 weeks after someone becomes infected. People with whooping cough can spread the infection by coughing, sneezing, or talking. The best way to prevent whooping cough is to get vaccinated. The whooping cough vaccine is safe and effective, and it is recommended for all children and adults. Other ways to prevent whooping cough include washing your hands often with soap and water, covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and avoiding close contact with people who are sick. If you think you might have whooping cough, it is important to see a doctor right away. According to the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, there have been 1,036 cases of whooping cough reported in the state so far this year. This is a significant increase from the 533 cases reported during the same period last year. In Arkansas, there have been 379 cases of whooping cough reported so far this year. This is also a significant increase from the 221 cases reported during the same period last year. Health officials are urging people to get vaccinated and take other precautions to prevent the spread of whooping cough. Whooping cough is a serious illness that can be prevented. If you think you might have whooping cough, it is important to see a doctor right away. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, has more information about whooping cough on its website. You can visit. The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services also has more information about whooping cough on its website. Additionally, the Arkansas Department of Health provides more information about whooping cough on its website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more health news and updates.